We own 666 hectares of bamboo forests, ensuring a steady and diverse supply for market needs. From these premium forests, we carefully select mature bamboo over 4 years old, known for its tough fibers and ideal density. Selected bamboo goes into auto carton, cut to same length according to the setup for uniform later use. Robotic arm moves bamboo segments to splitter. Multi-blade machine cuts them into same thickness pieces. Uniform bamboo pieces go into shaping machine via mechanical coils. High-speed special tools peel and cut them into thin round sticks. Bundling shape threads first, put into dryer and set baking time by initial moisture, keeping water content less than or equal to 12%. The rolled bamboo is processed into strips of different diameters in lengths, according to product requirements. These strips are stored using a cross-stacking method, allowing every piece of bamboo to breathe freely. Next, the strips are cut into shorter pieces with a cutting machine and placed in the semi-finished material area, waiting for the next stage of production. In the polishing stage, the semi-finished pieces are precisely polished for a smooth finish, ensuring product consistency while removing defective pieces. Then comes the sharpening process, where automatic sharpening machines accurately shape the tips, according to product specification. After sharpening, the pieces enter the AI inspection stage, where an intelligent visual recognition system swiftly detects and removes defective items. Qualified chopsticks are sent to the stacking area and automatically counted, packaged, and sealed, becoming ready-to-use disposable bamboo chopsticks. Finally, the finished products are stored in the warehouse, classified by type and order number for easy management and delivery. These chopsticks are made from high-quality bamboo, naturally strong and antibacterial, ensuring hygiene and durability. Their smooth surface and ergonomic design make them comfortable and easy to use for beginners, while offering a touch of elegance for experienced users. With customizable options, you connect your restaurant's logo or unique design, making them memorable souvenirs for customers. Enhance your brand with these eco-friendly, stylish bamboo chopsticks. They not only elevate the dining experience, but also demonstrate your commitment to sustainability and quality. Stand out in functionality, aesthetic appeal, and environmental responsibility. Elevate your brand image and provide your customers with a dining experience that is both enjoyable and sustainable. Yada Bamboo Chopsticks operates modern, high-capacity production facilities and holds certifications, including FSC, LFGB, and FDA, ensuring reliable product quality and fully meeting global standards.
Ready to explore more? Visit www.chinaoat.com. Join us in making a greener choice.